Am I looking in the right spot? Is that fine? Okay, cool.
So fine,
okay. Hi, I'm Julia, Busuttil Nishimura, and I'm a cook and a food writer. Cooking, I've always loved to cook. You know, being in my family, it was always about food, but I think when I lived in Italy, definitely I felt kind of this, really a real pull to being in the kitchen and cooking. Yeah, I studied teaching actually. I was a teacher for a while. I love words and telling stories, so it's a nice combination. So I think being in the kitchen all the time means that I never really want anything that's too full of coverage because, you know, being over a hot stove and always in the oven, it can get quite a lot for your skin. So I tend to go for things that are a little bit more sheer. And then if I have to go out later, I just usually top that up. So I'm using Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser in Nude. And I put it on my fingers and I like to apply it with my hands because I never have a brush. And I have quite dry skin, so it's really nice to put this on in the morning and just head out. I think my own personal recipe for staying centered is not taking yourself too seriously. No matter how successful you become, I think it's really important to remember that, you know, there's not that much that separates us as humans, and just to, take each day as it comes. When I'm in the kitchen, I really love to listen to things that kind of keep me upbeat. I love Lauryn Hill, probably Lauryn Hill. The first meal I ever cooked for my husband Nori was just like really amazing summer tomatoes with basil on toast, which seems so simple, but whenever I have it, it kind of takes me back to that time. Yeah. I think the foundation of my life is, first and foremost, definitely my family. I think having them to come home to every day is really, really grounds me. But I also think creativity is really what kind of lays the foundation for everything I do. I'm Julia, I'm a cook and author, but underneath it all, sometimes we do have toast for dinner.